Hi, so I showered, I washed my face, I moisturized. Also something that I have been doing for years, and I actually stopped for the last few months just because I forgot about it, but I get these little eyebrow shavers and I shave the peach fuzz off my face. I used to do this because it's a great exfoliator for the skin, and I feel like my products, my makeup, everything lays so much smoother and my skin looks brighter and better. So I use these. I get a pack of 3 of these from Target. Literally, see, 3. You get them over by like the tweezers and everything, and this was like $4. I love it. It's so good for the skin. Although I have moisturized already, I am going to take a little bit of my moisturizer. I'm just using the Pond's cream. And then I take a little bit of this Vita Liberata, the smallest amount. Can you even see that? It's so, so small. But I like to use this for a little bit of a glow. This is their body blur, but I actually like to use it on my face. You just dab it around. If I have like full self-tanner on and I haven't self-tanned my face, or it's like come off of my face, I'll use a little more of that with my moisturizer and just do that for the day if I'm like running errands or just like sitting by the pool or something, so that way my body and my face match. Normally I don't do this step, but because I'm on camera today, I am going to do it, and I'm just using this color corrector from Becca. I'm just taking a very small amount, it's this little peachy tone, and I'm going to use it under my eye a little bit and around my nose. It's that time of the month, TMI, so I have a little bit of breakouts, but I also get redness from hormones right here. So I just want to cover those up. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy and Smooth. You guys know that I've loved this for years. Also, I would like to say I do have my new hair. I keep talking about it because I'm obsessed with myself. I'm obsessed with my new hair. But also, people had asked me if I've really changed up my routine at all because my hair is a different color, if I've changed like my eyebrow color, anything, like when doing my makeup, because a lot of people do that when they change up their hair color. I haven't. I feel like the colors that I use are so are so natural anyways. It's not like I had to really switch it up. I mean, even when I had my white hair, I still had my dark brows. I'm gonna dab this around. Something else that I love about doing the moisturizer and the body blur on my face is that when I go to do foundation, I did a little more than normal today. Well, I would wear it like on an everyday basis because I am on camera and I'm filming after this. I use less foundation now because if I use this and I just have a glow, I just put it around little spots where I'm like, okay, I'd like to keep it really light on a day-to-day basis. So this is my everyday, but just a little heightened. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is in the shade 15 Light. I tried to get fair, but they were out, so I had to get light. So this is darker than I would normally do, but it's like a little more yellowy than the one that I normally use. I find that using the same foundation and concealer brand like works best because it really, really glides together smoothly. So that's why I stick with a Fit Me concealer when I do my foundation, because I feel like they're kind of made for each other. Woo! And see, right now we're super glowy and dewy, which I love. Thanks. Do you want some coffee? Rough morning. Now is when I'm going to go in with some powder. I try not to powder my whole face on a daily basis. I'll just do kind of my under eyes and just whatever's left on the sponge. This is the Dermablend Professional Banana Powder. I really, really like it. And I start off on the side of my nose, and then I bring it around my eye, around the nose, around the mouth, and then I'll blend it out around the cheek. Start on the side of the nose, bring it around, down the nose, around the mouth, on the chin. Who is texting me? Then I bring it over the nose on the top a little bit because that can get oily for me. Then just whatever I kind of have left on the sponge, I'm just gonna bounce it around the forehead. I want my makeup to set because throughout the day this does get oily, which I like when it starts getting glowy, but I also want the makeup to stay in place. Yes, baby. Here we go. There's a hair on my face. Oh, I don't know where the hair is coming from. Oh, but it's itching. This is when I go in with my bronzer. I use a contour palette, okay? Oh my gosh, you know when you can feel a hair but you can't see it? Oh, I'm gonna go in with some contour, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix the lightest and the medium shade, boop, 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 and I do it with this kind of brush. I don't know what this is called. This is just what I use. And then I'm going to blend around the forehead, bring it down, and you know how this goes. Really easy, you guys. My makeup, how long have we been filming? 9 minutes. I also really like this bronzy, glowy look with my new hair too because I feel like it matches really well. Next, what I'm gonna do, okay, alright, I'm gonna go my hair. Oh my god, I don't know where the hair is. Oh, it's like an invisible hair. Oh, it's like tingling. Oh, it's in my nose! Ah! Am I okay? Alrighty, you guys, now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I just bought a brand new one. I ran out of my old one and I was trying to do my eyebrows without it and it wasn't working out. This is my holy grail. It's so thin so you can easily make like hair-like strokes, which I like because when it comes to my brows, I just want them to look as natural and full as possible, you know what I mean? I try to stick to just like natural tones, really easy makeup because I like a more natural look on me, although I know that like I love to go all out on my lips. It's my favorite. Now I am gonna go in with a brow gel. I'm gonna go in with my Cella Brow Gel that's just clear just to set them in place. Now we're gonna go in for the eyeballs. I'm gonna go in light shade for my contour palette. I'm not even kidding you, this is how I do my eyes. Okay, you ready? I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes for a base, just to even out skin tone. Then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and go in with that medium tone of the contour. It's just like a light brown, bronzy tone. Bring that all over the eye. Browns bring out blue eyes so nicely, by the way. When I was younger, I was like so afraid to use brown eyeshadow because I was like, it's dark, what if I mess it up? And now I'm just using all my bronzer. Then I'm gonna go back in with that first brush, just kind of blending it all out. Woo! Like this. Now, if you want to, I don't do this every day, but again, because I'm on camera, I am going to go in with a little bit of highlight. This is just from Morphe, and this is in the shade Extra. Just a little dab, and I'm just going to gently put some underneath my brow. But again, I'm gonna go in with a brush, blend it all out so I don't have any harsh lines of that. Just wanted a little shade. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlight. I'm just gonna, I used to be like, give it to me, and now I'm like, just a little, just for a tiny glow. But we can still do this. But you know I love that. There we go. Okay, next is mascara. Now I'm gonna, okay, the little rubber thing came off and I was like, yeah, I can't use that. That's gonna hurt my eyelashes. This is literally from Revlon. I've had it, I wanna say, since I started YouTube, so 5 years ago. The mascara I'm still using. I've been using this, I think, even the last time I did a makeup video. This is Superhero from IT Cosmetics. I love, though, that it's really dried up a lot. That's my favorite kind of mascara. To me, I feel like it's so much easier to maneuver. I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll come back for the lips. The lighting has changed a little bit because we have some clouds in here now. Not in my house. We have some clouds guarding the sun. I'm gonna take this little towel, I'm gonna wipe off my lips, get any foundation or anything off of them. I'm going in with Collab. This is in the shade Burnt Up. This is my favorite lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little, I've stopped with my sentence. I sharpened my lip pencil. I'm gonna start right here. And I just kind of let it guide itself around my lip. I do overline, but just right against where my lip is. Now, for me, this side of my mouth, this side of my lip, goes down further than this side does. So I do take my lip liner and I pull that side out just to match it so it's more even. There we go. There is my lip liner. Now I'm gonna go in with Sexy Mother Pucker from Soap & Glory in the shade Super Nude. And I'm gonna just dab a little. I feel like dabbing just kind of like blends it out a little bit. And there you go. I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll show you the final look. Hi guys, I just wanted to hop in on here really quick because I realized I didn't have an outro or an intro to this video, but I wanted to say thank you so much for all of the love and the light you guys have been sending my way recently through Twitter, Instagram, on my videos. I feel really, really loved right now, so thank you for all of that. I just wanted to say I love you too, and I'm sending you love and light right back to you. And yeah, it's a Sunday when I'm editing this. Look, I got a little messy hair going on. We got the baby sleeping. Aww, she's like, please don't wake me up. Anyway, I just want to say I love you and thank you. I'm feeling all the love. So Yeah, you are the best. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.